So I'm gonna show y'all this chicken I got from ALDI. I'm getting ready to fix it in the air fryer. Red bits inside. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what this piece is. It's like a broken leg. So we got a breast, a thigh, look like 3 legs. Okay. So this was $5.99. It's frozen, so I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Okay, that's how it looks. 5 pieces of chicken. So I'm gonna put it in the air fryer, which I have preheated a little bit. Let me turn it off. I'm using the chicken icon. I'm gonna set it for 400. Oops. And for how many minutes? Maybe 22 minutes. Start. I didn't spray it with oil or anything. I'll be back. Okay, I did flip it, then I flipped it back. Well, I hope it thawed out. If it was frozen, I'm going to use the meat thermometer, stick it in there and see. The breast. Oh, it goes all the way through, yeah. What is that? 164, 165. Okay, still rising. This thigh. I don't like the thigh. It's ready. Let's start out. I'll be back. Okay, here's my chicken. I haven't tasted it yet. I hope it's good. In this box, it says there are only breast, thighs, and drumsticks in here. No wings at all. So I'm going to taste it. Okay, it tastes like the KFC crispy chicken. It's very crispy. Tastes good. And I'm not going to set my tripod back up so y'all can see me tasting it. So I want to thank you for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bye.